Wall hanging. Show house. Hey kids, let's make a wall hanging scenery. Take the given pastel sheet and draw huts and sun as shown. Cut and paste the given paper in different shapes as shown. Paste cotton to make snow and sky. Draw windows, doors, clock, etc. Your wall hanging is ready. Tie a thread and hang it on your wall.